Hey buddy, welcome to Upptalk. We help you scale up your career by skilling up your knowledge.
It's no longer a secret, everyone knows that learning new skills will advance their career. But not everyone has the time or the ability to learn a new skill, let alone attend a formal training. Online courses are one solution for this, but it's not always easy to find a good quality course with credible instructors. Upptalk was created to solve this problem by providing live interactive video training from the comfort of your home, saving you both time and money on traditional classroom training. We offer training in trending software courses in the market which are instructed by experts who have domain understanding and knowledge in the related field. Whether you're just getting started, or you want to learn a little extra something that could add a lot of value, our platform will be able to help. Here at Upptalk, we have done extensive research and development into the skill sets particular in demand from industry recruiters, ensuring our students are highly desirable candidates with precisely those skills needed. Immerse yourself in our innovative and interactive platform that will help you resume your career by polishing various skills and enabling you to take in the game with proficiency. Wanna skill up in your field? Mail us at sales@upptalk.com. Subscribe to our channel and get notified on our regular updates. Thank you.